News: the AI revolution and its impact on white-collar workers, an in-depth analysis. In a world driven by technological advancements, the rise of artificial intelligence or AI has triggered both excitement and apprehension. While AI promises to revolutionize various industries, it also raises concerns about job security, especially among white-collar workers. The emergence of AI, exemplified by technologies like ChatGPT, has sparked discussions about whether these tools will replace human workers in professions ranging from coding to truck driving. However, a recent study by job search platform Indeed suggests that white-collar workers may face a unique set of challenges in this AI era. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, your weekly tech and AI news update. Today, we're diving into the hottest tech trends and mind-blowing AI breakthroughs every week. Stay tuned, stay informed, and let's ride the tech wave together. The changing landscape of work. Surprisingly, the AI revolution is bringing about a significant shift in the pattern of job displacement. While historical technological advancements primarily impacted manual labor and physical tasks, the advent of AI is uniquely targeting knowledge-based professions. This marks a departure from the traditional narrative of automation, primarily replacing manual labor. In the past, automation predominantly affected jobs that involved physical, repetitive tasks performed by human labor. However, the rise of AI introduces a new dynamic, where knowledge workers, whose tasks are centered around intellectual skills and decision-making, are experiencing the highest level of exposure to AI-related disruptions. This shift highlights the distinct nature of AI's impact on the workforce, signaling that traditional job categories and roles are being redefined in the face of automation. It challenges the conventional understanding of technological advancements and underscores the need for adaptability and preparedness in the rapidly evolving job landscape. Interestingly, in person, low-wage jobs that require a strong human presence are more likely to remain resilient against AI disruption. These roles, which rely on human interactions and emotions, are less amenable to automation, emphasizing the enduring value of genuine human connection in certain sectors of the workforce. Resilient jobs in the age of AI. Certain sectors of the job market remain relatively impervious to AI disruption due to the critical element of human interaction they entail. For instance, roles like childcare, healthcare, and transportation heavily rely on human presence and emotional connection, rendering them less susceptible to AI replacement. It's evident that, at least for the time being, people are not inclined to entrust tasks involving the well-being of their children or personal healthcare to AI. On the contrary, Indeed's analysis highlights that software development and coding jobs are among the most exposed to AI replacement. Generative AI has evolved to the point where it can proficiently perform 95% of the skills required in these roles. This level of automation is reshaping the landscape of software-related professions, raising questions about the future of these careers. Additionally, fields like information technology, mathematics, information design, as well as legal and accounting roles are also facing significant exposure to AI disruption. As AI technologies continue to advance, their capacity to perform complex intellectual tasks challenges the traditional boundaries of these professions, necessitating adaptation and potentially redefining the roles within them. Jobs in the crosshairs of AI. Conversely, certain jobs such as truck and taxi driving are less exposed to AI disruption, as the technology is currently capable of performing only about 30% of the required skills in these roles. These positions often involve complex, real-world decision-making and adaptability that AI struggles to replicate fully, making them less susceptible to automation. Roles in cleaning, sanitation, beauty, and wellness are also relatively insulated against AI disruption. These jobs are less likely to be performed remotely, and they often require strong human presence and personal interaction, aspects that are challenging for AI to replicate convincingly. Interestingly, Indeed's research highlights a noteworthy trend. Jobs suitable for remote work are at higher risk of exposure to generative AI-driven changes. This is due to the adaptability and automatability of certain tasks that can be performed remotely, making them more amenable to AI-driven automation. In essence, the susceptibility of various job roles to AI disruption varies significantly based on the nature of the tasks involved, the level of human interaction required, and the potential for remote work, reflecting the evolving dynamics of the job market in the age of AI. But before we dive deeper into the future work of human-AI collaboration, remember to stay in the loop with Tech Too Fast. Like, subscribe, and drop us a comment to let us know your thoughts. The future of work and human-AI collaboration. Indeed, many in-person jobs heavily rely on the irreplaceable human element. While generative AI may find its place in assisting with certain aspects of these roles, there are fundamental tasks where human presence and intervention remain indispensable. For example, in the healthcare field, a nurse's physical presence is necessary to perform procedures like drawing blood or administering injections. It's crucial to recognize that AI is unlikely to completely replace humans, even in areas where it demonstrates significant capabilities. Instead, its role is more likely to be that a collaborator, augmenting the skills of human workers and allowing them to focus on higher-level, more complex tasks that require uniquely human qualities like empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. Companies are increasingly exploring how generative AI can enhance the efficiency of their workforce. By automating routine or repetitive tasks, AI can reduce the need for multiple employees in certain roles. This not only streamlines operations, but also empowers workers to leverage AI tools to concentrate on tasks that demand their specialized expertise, ultimately increasing productivity. According to data from Indeed, 20% of job listings on their platform are highly exposed to generative AI, indicating a significant potential for automation in these roles. An additional 45% are moderately exposed, suggesting that AI could play a supportive role in these positions. However, 35% of job listings are minimally exposed, highlighting the continued need for uniquely human skills and capabilities in various industries and professions. Navigating the AI future. Nevertheless, Svenja Goodell advises against making drastic career changes solely based on the potential threat of AI, emphasizing that we are still in the early stages of this technological advancement. It's too early to switch to another job because we are still in the beginning days of this technological advancement. As the AI revolution unfolds, its impact on white-collar workers remains a topic of discussion and adaptation. While challenges lie ahead, the future will undoubtedly be shaped by the dynamic interplay between humans and AI. That's a wrap for this week's Tech Too Fast update. If you enjoyed the latest in tech and AI, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious, stay connected, and we'll catch you on the next one.